After Lord Rama and Goddess Durga, Saraswati Puja has become a new flashpoint between the ruling TMC and BJP in poll-bound West Bengal. In a bid to woo voters ahead of the state polls, both the parties, both the BJP and TMC, have geared up to use Saraswati Puja, which is one of the most important religious and cultural events in Bengal. While BJP leaders are gifting Saraswati idols to people, the TMC has organized more than 100 pujas in Hooghly district alone. TMC MP Aparupa Podar is herself overseeing all arrangements. The TMC is also using the puja to publicize their welfare schemes that have been launched by Mamta. The BJP, however, has accused TMC of using this puja to garner and to woo Hindu votes. The BJP alleged that in a bid to consolidate its vote bank, the TMC is now attempting to woo Hindus.
দুর্গা পূজার বিসর্জন করতে গেলে পুজো করতে গেলে হাইকোর্টে সুপ্রিম কোর্টে যেতে হয়। এই ব্যবস্থা কিন্তু আগে ছিল না। উলবেড়িয়ায় সরস্বতী পুজো করতে গেলে ছাত্রছাত্রীদের পথ অবরোধ করতে হয়। মুর্শিদাবাদের তো এমন এমন বিদ্যালয়ের নাম আমি বলে দিতে পারি যেখানে মাননীয়ার আমলে সরস্বতী পুজো বন্ধ হয়েছে।
People of Bengal, the common people, the educated people, they are knowing that what the environment is prevailing all over India. Now we have to save Bengal from the clutches of this BJP. So many more clubs have been involving in this puja, and they are doing it on the banner of Trinamool Congress.
सबको मालूम है भारतीय जनता पार्टी, भारतीय जो आदर्श है, जो संस्कृति है, भारतीय जनता पार्टी मानते हैं। हम सब देव देवी का पूजा भी करते हैं, मानते भी है, हमारे ये संस्कृति है। हम लोग चाहते हैं जो पश्चिम बंगाल में सब लोग भारतीय जनता पार्टी का सरकार का इंतजार कर रहे हैं। अभी ये सरस्वती पूजा करके कुछ फायदा नहीं होगा उनका। ये सरस्वती पूजा सब घर घर में होता है हमारा।
सरस्वती पूजा आप ये ममता बनर्जी का 10 साल की गवर्नमेंट और इसके पहले भी जो गवर्नमेंट रही है बंगाल में, हर वक्त सरस्वती पूजा, दुर्गा पूजा, काली पूजा, सब पूजाएं यहाँ पर होती थी। लेकिन भारतीय जनता पार्टी इसको लेकर राजनीति कर रही है। जैसे आपको याद होगा कि दिलीप घोष दो तरह की बात करते हैं। दिलीप घोष क्या बोले कि मुहर्रम में जो है दुर्गा पूजा का विसर्जन नहीं होता है, और वही दिलीप घोष क्या बोलते हैं कि दुर्गा कौन है, दुर्गा कहाँ से आ गई। तो देखिए उनका ये जो है दो चेहरा सामने आ गया इस बार।
BJP has always alleged that Mamta government do not allow people to celebrate Saraswati Puja in West Bengal. But this election year, TMC is trying to change that notion. Herself, MP Aparupa Podar is celebrating Saraswati Puja in West Bengal, particularly in Hooghly. Almost 125 localities are performing and celebrating Saraswati Puja this year under the leadership of Trinamool Congress. With cameraman Tapas Bairi, Anupam Mishra, India Today, Hooghly.
And let me take this across to my colleague Prema Rajaram, who's joining us live from Kolkata. Prema, good morning. In the run-up to the elections, every single event becomes a political one. Both the BJP and TMC are going all out to woo voters on Saraswati Puja. What are the plans of both the parties?
Well, both the parties are now in a desperate bid to woo voters because of the assembly elections, and the Trinamool Congress does not want to be seen as being left behind and not being, thinking about the Hindu voters, because we must remember it's about 70% of the vote bank, which they have to consider when it comes to the Hindu population. And BJP now is looking at the Hindutva aspect when it comes to Bengal, and Trinamool Congress does not want to be seen as appeasing the minority community, which they have been accused of by the BJP. So this time when the Saraswati Puja is taking place in West Bengal, we're seeing that Trinamool Congress is going all out to hold Saraswati Puja events in various parts of the state. Like in Hooghly, like we mentioned, there are 125 Saraswati Puja celebrations that will be taking place, and this too something that the Trinamool Congress is thinking of. BJP BJP, on the other hand, of course, is going to be also having their Saraswati Puja celebrations in various parts of the state. But essentially, Akshita, it is about how now the politics over Ram and Durga has now shifted to politics of Saraswati Puja, and how the Trinamool Congress wants to show that they are a party that looks at religion and culture and inclusiveness of all religions, and hit out at the BJP, calling them the outsider party, saying that you don't understand our culture, we understand Saraswati Puja, and we will allow the people to celebrate Saraswati Puja. Back to you,
and this perhaps
Akshita.
is a counter to the narrative created by the BJP, particularly at a time when we've seen all of that politicking over Jai Shri Ram in Bengal. Prema, thank you for joining us with all those details.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.